Hey guys, I found the problem with the 79cc motor thumping here at the clutch. It's exactly what I didn't think about, and that's the master link coming across and actually hitting an inner tooth on the clutch, on the back of the clutch there. So all I have to do is take this back off, and I can loosen it up because I made a special tool. And this allows me to reach in there and make an adjustment for this thing. Basically, just like that. These haven't been thread locked or anything. This is just a build. We're just putting this together temporarily to make sure everything fits. But I definitely, this is my way to tighten and loosen the chain, as you can see. And where's the master link? Right here. So woo! Pop that sucker off, man. So, guess what? All we have to do is turn this chain around. That wouldn't be turning it around, would it? And hook it back up. And see if that takes care of the popping noise I was hearing on the last video. Since I don't do this actually for a living, I kind of learn as I go. And I think that's what everybody does when they build one of these. But I have to make this right. This bike here will be gonna give this bicycle away. Just because I want to make it and enjoy it for a little bit, but then I get tired of everything, and then I'll just park it and never start it and never run it again. So what I want to do is be able to give it to somebody that wants the bike, and it's going to be a nice matching rig, so to speak. So whoever has it, I think will really get a kick out of it, really enjoy it, and have fun with it. So I'm going to try to make it safe, as well as once we get this all put together and ready to tear back apart, I'll take my camper, my trailer that I bought, and start turning it into a custom trailer for the bike here. Yeah, we'll put some thread lock on these and probably some better washers so the washers don't flex or bend under the torque. Oh yeah, all I hear is chain right there. And I haven't really made sure it's perfectly in line, even though it looks like it's perfectly in line. Whoops, sorry. I will have to take some measurements. Seems like the chain's pulling towards the clutch here when it shouldn't be, so it looks like it needs to come even further out. It's already out a 1/2 inch off the end of the shaft. I mean, there's a 1/2 inch gap. And because I used the spacer, 3/4 inch spacer that was in the kit. And this gear right here, it looks like it could go in a 1/16 of an inch, and maybe that's all we'll need. But yeah, it's gonna have to come in a little bit. All right, fellas, I got the noise out, but as far as lining this up, we'll have to do that once we get the wheel chain on. And I'll do that here later on today and do a video for it. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'm not sure you can see this. I think I kicked the camera, but anyway, we'll do a video again on the rest of this stuff. I got the tank, the gas tank. It was damaged in shipping, so I did some body work on it. And basically this was down inside, so I pulled this out with a pulling tool and basically taking off these high spots and places where it was stamped, and as well as file these down here. So I'm going to shoot it with some K2 primer, fill primer, and get this really smooth, get it all sanded up. And once it's finished, and it'll be the best little bike kit gas tank you've ever seen. So, and it'll go with the bike very well. Even though these are a little wide, we'll make it work. All right, see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, because again, this could be your motorized 79cc bike rig with the trailer, with the camping trailer, everything matching. We'll see you on the next one.